Right, it's Kev's serious time. Just a quick catch up really. I've come down to our workshop. We'll have a walk around the workshop, see what's happening there, and then we'll go on to the pitch and I'll show you what's new in. So here we are at the workshop. As you can see, we've got a few vans about. We've got the flash there, that's in for repair. And then we've got the Broadway, that's one of ours. The Chieftain, I think that's a customer's. And then we've got the V-Line, which is one of ours. And yeah, the Auto Trail, that'll be a customer's. Then that one's going back to our place. Adam's just taking that back. We've got the Devon, which is all being checked off prior to coming back to the pitch. The V-Line, that's ready to go back to the pitch. I think we've been waiting on a window for that. We've got a window with a bit of a crack in it. Had problems though, because we've had two delivered and both been broke when they arrived. We'll have a look round, see what's happening here. There's another one of our vans, a Bessica. And then we've got the Auto Sleeper Kingham. It's another one of ours. Nice one, Bessica. Quite a nice van. Yep. This one's having the cam belt done. As you can see, the kit's there ready to go in it. But it's got to be pulled apart yet to get it in. Workshop's still looking nice and tidy. Yeah, so Adam's on his way back to our place now with that van. Just squeeze it out. There it goes, he's squeezing it out now. It's going back on the pitch now, that. Nice van, these V-Lines. I don't know which window. No, there's a window. As I say, the corner's broken off the window. We've had two delivered. One of them packed them, both been broken, so we're waiting on a new one coming.
Hey Jake, so you're not bored?
Yeah, hi.
Huh?
Yep, he sat there like a little garden gnome, isn't he? See you later.
See you later.
Right, we'll head back to the pitch and we'll have a look what's coming.
So this is good to go now, isn't it?
Waiting on the keys for that so they can fill the water up. Must be on the spare set of keys back at the yard. So that's the workshop. Unfortunately, we've got nothing in bits that I can show you. So we might have a trip back when they've got a cam belt to do on that Bessie car. The little Mizan around there, that's going to have a cam belt, which I showed you before. So yeah, not exactly a hive of activity at the moment because they're waiting on bits. So it's back to the pitch and we'll see what's happening there. See you in a bit. Right, we've arrived back at the ranch. So we'll just have a look, see what we've got in. Nice Auto Sleeper there. A nice Bailey. I've got a nice Swift Escape there. I've got a nice Auto Trail. A lovely Auto Trail, been really well looked after, this one. It was one we sold and it's just downsized, and it is absolutely immaculate with lots of extras. It's been upplated, it's got a refillable gas system on it, extra leisure battery, air suspension. Yeah, it's got the works on that. Really nice van. What else have we got? Oh yeah, we've got an Auto Cruise there. Nice little Auto Sleeper. Another Auto Sleeper on a Mercedes. Nice van. So yeah, it's we're getting a few vans in stock now. But people say, you know, the bubbles burst and all that, but nah, not really. People seem to think there's a lot of vans for sale, but not that many. You know, we're travelling all over the country buying, so they're not that easy to come by. And any new vans, well, you're looking next year really. They're taking orders now. I mean, Roller Team taking orders. They're taking orders for what? Looking for, well, they say February 2023, but I think they'll probably have a waiting list, so I think you'll be going waiting a lot longer than that if you order a new one. Yeah, we'll have a walk along the front. Nice auto sleeper. Yeah, lovely van that. Auto sleeper Fairford. Even got a power winch on the front. How's about that? You don't see many of them, do you? Nice little Mercedes there. Mercedes with a pop top. 2001. Some Volkswagens. Oh, that one was sold yesterday. So the breeding program's reducing. Another Volkswagen there. Got a nice Heimer. Lovely Heimer. And oh, another Heimer. That's the Heimer van, which is a very, very nice van. Prices have increased quite a bit on these vans. We'll have a walk around the back and see what's in the compound. We've got quite a few in the compound. I think that one's that Majestic. I'm not sure whether that's sold. This is Paul's domain. He does all the tidying up, cleaning, washing, checking the vans off. Any detailing that he's doing on them, or polishing and all that. Makes a damn good job of them. Yeah, worth his weight in gold. Yep. Some new rubber seals there going on something. As you can see, we do every bit of stuff. Some new seals that we bought. Some customers looking at a van there. Auto sleeper. Oh, Quest, that's just come in. That's got to be checked off yet. So that's about it, really. So we'll head back to the office now. Time for a cup of tea, I think, actually. I'm sure Jason will want one, because he never makes one. I always have to go and make him a brew. A bit cloudy today. Yeah. Still warm. About 22 degrees, but cloudy. Helicopter up there. See the site's busy. I think they're having a discussion about a cup of tea there as well. Site's quiet at the moment. Won't be in a bit when the kids break up. We'll probably be very, very busy. We'll see if Jason wants a cuppa.